How to make a video a live photo on iPhone. First of all, go ahead and open up the TikTok application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. You can create a TikTok post from here. Tap on your media at the bottom right corner. Choose any video from here and then tap on Next. Over here, you can edit this video using the edit options on the right. Then, tap on Next. Here, go to the privacy settings as shown. From there, you can choose the audience for this post. For example, only you. After that, tap on Post below. Tap on Post Video again to confirm. Now, go to your profile at the bottom right corner. And then, go to the private section as shown. Open the video you just posted from here. Then, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Now, swipe left and select Live Photo from the options below. As you can see, the live photo has been successfully saved to your device. Now, go back and open up the Photos app. You can view the live photo from here. Following these steps, you can easily make a video a live photo on iPhone.